So if you're really only repairing this, the inlet up the top here, you probably don't need to pull this apart. It's only if you want to look at these O-rings or replace them or whatever, but if it gets to that point, you probably just buy a whole new valve anyway. I'm going to push that up there. I'm not sure exactly the right position. Probably a good idea too would be to measure the overall length of it before you start unscrewing it. So if you look closely on here, there's actually numbers on here. There's a number 10 down here. There's a number 11 up here. Screw this up just without the things in it. Yeah, so it goes up to the number 11 mark, so I'm going to just assume that that's where it's meant to go. So now I've seen where my positioning's got to be. Now I'm going to press these down into place and lock this in position and then screw this up. So the tricky bit now is going to be inserting these locking pieces here, and I'm assuming that the T-piece, the T goes to the top, and then it's just a matter of trying to look down through there to see where they fit. So a small screwdriver is probably ideal to push that down into place. Do the same on the other side. So yeah, you basically do push those right down, and if you look from the bottom here, not sure if you're going to be able to see on camera, but you can actually see the base of the that little clip poking out the bottom there. Same for that one. So now that's locked in position. Insert this back on. If you got some water-based lubricant or petroleum jelly or whatever, good idea to put that on there. I mean, that's not going to move once it's in place, but it is the seal for it, so screw this up. Now you notice this little locking thing here, and if you look on here too, from this side, I'm not sure you can see, it's got these like shark fin things, one here, another one here, and all the way around. So I'm assuming they're just another locking sort of mechanism. I've actually broke that off there, so that's irrelevant now, but that shouldn't move hopefully. Then you've also got this other little locking tab that inserts up under here as well. Oh yeah, so you notice there's actually this little tab here. If you look closely at this pin on this sort of angle, along this edge here, there's actually a raised little lip, which if you look up under here, there's like a little notch there, so I'm assuming that needs to be in that position to insert that back in there. So that's sort of going to mean I either leave this out or I have to unscrew this back down. Oh yep, so now you can see that that's in the right position now, so that just slides back up in there. Now I can actually rotate that whole thing. So I'm not sure what the order is meant to be for inserting that and screwing this up, but yeah,